Okay, going into today's session, as you can see, the market is aggressively selling off down to 1%. May have fumbled the bag a little bit, but gains are gains. So what I had planned here, this was the last pullback and move up. We've had a double top here as well. My plan was to short this below this MSS, 15-minute MSS block, and enter a starter position here. As soon as this heavily closed candle came down and broke 0.25, I entered my full position here and I got rid of it just below 0.5. This has now continued to move an extra 30 points down to here. This aggressive selling and how the market has moved today, this move here would normally have taken a lot more time than just 2 candles. So I was happy with the profits. The target is always 10 points per day. Took the profits and I'm done for the day in 15 minutes. This here meant that I could have a tight stop above 0.25, which is why I entered. The market is bearish. We have aggressive selling happening, probably because of Trump's constant tweets, as well as the market thinking that Powell's going to be against a rate cut tomorrow in his speech. However, a 1% move is very rare. Okay, if you notice and look back at the stats of the daily markets, a 1% move is rare. 0.5 is also very aggressive. The price has dumped 0.5%, which is another reason why I closed. This candle was wicking around here on the 400. Another reason why I got rid of the position. But gains are gains, solid 2 days. And days like today and yesterday make avoiding this a lot more easier. When you have experience in the market, you'll know Mondays are probably the worst days to trade, especially when there's no red folder news. So if you just protect your account in days like this, where we are constantly range bound, days like today will make up for missing out on a choppy day like this. Okay? People may say I fumbled the bag today, but it is what it is. 10 points is always the target. The checklist matched 15-minute MSS. We got the STD level and then added the position at the 1 hour MSS. The safer thing to do would have been to take the 410 break, but then your stop loss would have to be above 0.25. So that would have meant a 6-point stop loss. When you see an aggressive STD break like this, you can easily just put a 1-point stop loss. My stop loss on this position was only 200 bucks, and we ended up making what you see on the screen. So the risk to reward is far greater if you just have a little bit of a risk. You've got one of these has been ticked, okay? Soon after the STD level gets ticked, and you can add your position and put your stop right here.